Good morning, all of you. Hydroxy compounds, alcohol. In this video, we are going to discuss preparation of alcohols by reduction of carbonyl compound, aldehyde and ketone. Reduction of aldehydes and ketones with lithium aluminum hydride in the presence of the solvent like tetrahydrofuran followed by 12O hydrolysis gives alcohol. Unlike other reducing agent such as Raney nickel, sodium amalgam H2O, lithium aluminum hydride does not reduce the carbon-carbon double bond present in unsaturated carbonyl compound, and hence it is a best reagent to prepare unsaturated alcohol. So, lithium aluminum hydride only reduces the functional group, it does not reduce carbon-carbon double bond. Therefore, it is the best reagent used to prepare unsaturated alcohol. So, first I want to give some meaning of the solvent tetrahydrofuran. Furan molecular formula, it is a heterocyclic compound, 5-membered, this is your furan. CH double bond CH, CH double bond CH. If 4 hydrogens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 hydrogens, 4 tetra, hydrogen, hydro are added to the double bonded carbon atom, all CH are converted into CH2, 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 CH2. This is furan and that one is tetrahydrofuran. This solvent is used in the reduction of the carbonyl compound. This is one point. Another one point is, whenever you hear the word oxidation and reduction, remember this point. Primary alcohol CH2OH on oxidation gives an aldehyde which on further oxidation gives an acid. Remember always, all these are functional group. Primary alcohol on oxidation gives an aldehyde which on further oxidation gives a carboxylic acid containing same number of carbon atom as the alcohol. Similar this reaction. Secondary alcohol CHOH on oxidation gives a ketone which on further oxidation gives a mixture of carboxylic acid, that carboxylic acid containing lesser number of carbon atom than that of the parent alcohol. In any chemical reaction, if the forward reaction is oxidation, reverse reaction is reduction. Now we are studying reduction. Carboxylic acid on reduction gives aldehyde. Aldehyde on reduction gives primary alcohol. Primary alcohol on reduction gives parent alkane. So the reverse reaction is reduction. Carboxylic acid on reduction gives aldehyde. Aldehyde on reduction gives primary alcohol. Primary alcohol on reduction gives parent alkane. The primary alcoholic functional group during reduction is converted into methyl CH3. Remember this, very most important, simple reaction. Come to ketone on reduction gives secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol on reduction gives parent alkane. Ketone on reduction gives secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol on reduction gives parent alkane. The secondary alcoholic group CHOH group is reduced into CH2 group. CHOH group is reduced into CH2 group, methylene group. Remember always. Now we are preparing alcohol from carbonyl compound. So aldehyde on reduction gives primary alcohol. Ketone on reduction gives secondary alcohol. Keep in mind, now we are going to write the reactions. Remember, aldehyde on reduction gives primary alcohol. ketone on reduction gives secondary alcohol. Now I first take acetaldehyde CH3, C double bond O CH3, CH. 2 carbon eth carbon carbon single bond N aldehyde Al. In presence of lithium aluminum hydride, the reducing agent, followed by hydrolysis H2O, gives a primary alcohol. Simply I write addition of hydrogen is called reduction. For simple remembering, oxygen is more electronegative, it pulls the shared pair of electron towards itself, it becomes minus and carbon becomes plus, H becomes plus, H minus. One plus is added to minus, another minus is added to plus gives CH3, C, here you have one hydrogen, single bond oxygen, this bond shifted to the minus 1, H plus is added, to the plus 1, H minus is added. CH3, this is nothing but CH3, CH2OH, primary alcohol, ethyl alcohol, ethanol, CH3, CH2OH. So aldehyde on reduction gives primary alcohol. One more aldehyde I take here, an unsaturated aldehyde, CH3, CH, double bond CH, CHO. So this compound containing double bond and also aldehyde, both these are functional group. If you use Raney nickel, nickel, platinum, palladium, it reduces the double bond into single bond. What is the name of this compound? Common name is crotonaldehyde. Common name is crotonaldehyde. What is the IUPAC name? When you give numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, we get 4 carbon atom, root word bute, carbon-carbon double bond ene, aldehyde name Al, position of double bond ene. The special or the best specific reducing agent used to reduce only aldehyde group, not double bonded carbon atom, is lithium aluminum hydride followed by hydrolysis. We know aldehydic functional group on reduction gives primary alcohol. CH3, CH, double bond, there is no change in the double bonded carbon. So what is the name of this compound? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 carbon atom, root word butane, carbon-carbon double bond ene, OH all, position of OH 1, position of double bond 2, but 2 ene 1 all. So these are the reduction of aldehyde into primary alcohol. Now we enter the reduction of ketone into secondary alcohol. An example of ketone, I take our common ketone acetone, CH3, C double bond O CH3, acetone, dimethyl ketone. IUPAC name 3 carbon prop, carbon-carbon single bond N, ketone one. In presence of the reducing agent lithium aluminum hydride followed by hydrolysis, addition of hydrogen is called reduction. 1H, for simple remembering, H plus and H minus, oxygen is more electronegative, therefore it becomes minus, carbon becomes plus, add 1 plus to minus, minus to plus, you will get the product CH3, C, single bond O, bond shifted, 1H is added, here 1H is added and 1 CH3. This is nothing but CH3, what is our center carbon? CHOH, secondary alcohol, last carbon CH3. Common name isopropyl alcohol, IUPAC name 3 carbon propane, carbon-carbon single bond N, OH all, position of OH 2, propane 2 all. One more point I have to tell in this place, if the compound containing 2 functional group, for example, ketone functional group CH3C double bond O and carboxylic acid functional group CH2, CH2, COOH, C double bond OH. If a compound containing two or more functional group, a less vigorous sodium borohydride is used as a reducing agent to reduce the more reactive group. This is more reactive group compared with the carboxylic acid group. So, ketone group is reduced into secondary alcoholic group. Sodium borohydride followed by hydrolysis, H2O or H3O plus ion. What is the name of this compound? IUPAC name. When we give numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Carboxylic acid comes in suffix and carbonyl comes in prefix. 5 carbon atom pend carbon single bond A acid name end with oic acid, pentanoic acid. No need to indicate the position of carboxyl group because carboxyl group and aldehyde functional group and nitrile are always present in the first carbon atom. In the fourth carbon, here we have oxo. If ketone functional group is indicated as prefix, it is oxo. Like aldehyde formyl, OH hydroxy. C double bond O, ketonic functional group is reduced into secondary alcohol, CH3, CHOH, then remaining CH2, COOH. IUPAC name of this compound, COOH. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon, 4, 5. Totally 5 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon pend carbon single bond A carboxylic acid oic acid. 4th carbon contain 1 hydroxy, 4 hydroxy pentanoic acid. One more compound, that compound on reduction gives a primary alcohol, that is ester. Molecular formula CH3, C double bond O minus. This is acetate. IUPAC name ethanoate. 1 ethyl is added, C2H5. Common name ethyl acetate. IUPAC name ethyl 2 carbon eth single bond N ester name end with O8, ethanoate. Addition of hydrogen reduction in presence of lithium aluminum hydride followed by hydrolysis. Addition of hydrogen. Now add 1 hydrogen here, we will get ethyl alcohol, C2H5OH. 1 alcohol is obtained. Another CH3, CH2OH. CH3, CH2OH, C2H5OH, both are same. So our product is CH3, CH2OH, ethyl alcohol. How many molecule? 2 molecule. C2H5OH, CH3, CH2OH. One example. Aromatic compound, benzoic acid, aromatic carboxylic acid on reduction. C6H5, COOH. Benzoic acid, benzene carboxylic acid or phenyl methanoic acid. When reduced in presence of lithium aluminum hydride followed by hydrolysis, first carboxylic acid on reduction is converted into an aldehydic functional group. Aldehydic functional group further on reduction gives a primary alcoholic functional group, C6H5CH2OH. This is your benzaldehyde. That one is benzyl alcohol, a primary alcohol, aromatic primary alcohol. So in this video, we discussed the preparation of alcohol by reduction of carbonyl compound. Thank you for watching. In the incoming video also, we are going to discuss the preparation of alcohols. Thank you very much.